This is the practical speaking test. In this first part of the test, I'm going to ask you some questions. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
What's your full name?
My full name is Saurabh Chakraborty. It's a name of meaning as symbol of rose, and it's also meaning as royalty. Some people call me Saurabh, and you can call me just Saurabh.
All right, Mr. Shoroff.
Yes.
Do you work or study?
Actually, I'm a full-time student. That's why my main major is student study. All time I do it.
Thank you. Do you work to study in the morning or afternoon?
My opinion, I'm especially prefer to study in morning because it's a great time for learning something, and that's why I choose this time. And I'm very enjoy to study in morning.
Thank you. Do you like yourself?
Obviously, I like myself, because I always say myself when I see my face in my mirror. Then time I feeling very confident, how beautiful and how smart I am.
Oh, that's really good. Let's talk about your favorite food. What's your favorite food and why?
Oh, actually, my favorite food is our traditional food, fish and rice, because as a Bengali, it's our main and common dish, and I'm not exceptional. That's why I like it.
How often do you take your favorite food?
As a Bengali, we usually take fish and rice regularly, and in all weather and all situation, I can try to take it.
Thank you. Let's talk about your favorite place. What's your favorite place and why?
Actually, my favorite place is Cox's Bazar. It is the world's most longest sea beach in the world. That's why I like it, and it's a very great place for explore me and my mind. That's why I like it.
That is the end of the speaking test part 1. Now we'll go for part 2.
Yes.
In part 2, you'll get a quick topic and you'll get 1.5 minutes to take preparation. Do I make you understand?
Yes.
Your quick topic is describe a countryside you visited and enjoyed there.
In last October, me and my father went to Nepal, and it's a land of mountain. And here, when I was first time and go there, then time I truly surprised. And first time I see snow and I can touch the snow. Then time it was a very luxurious memory and a very high memory for me. And when we arrived in here, then time at first we were taking a one guide. His name is local name Sherpa. They are very know about environment and initial structure or adventure guide. This also included me. They are very special for here. They know about how to climb mountain, and actually if you want to climb mountain, then time you need a proper training, minimum 1 year, but we have not enough time. But when I have a large vacation, then time I will achieve it, and then time I will go again and I will take a more adventure training. Then time I will try to climbing mountain. It is my one of hobby, and it's my major adventure it will be, and I am waiting for this day. And right now I am preparing myself for achieving mountain. It will be give me pleasure, and I want to represent my name, also my country. That's why I want to go there again. And it will be very specific in here. When we arrived in first time Nepal airport, then time our guide received us, and he cab booking. And when
Thank you so much. That is the end of the speaking part 2.
Thank you.
Already have spent 2 minutes. Thank you so much.